Hi, this is Pascal Chikero. With the new year upon us, it is a good time to reevaluate your investments. What's working, what's not, and where you can invest your money to better save and build wealth for the future. For many, gold investments may be appropriate to add to the mix in 2023, particularly considering recent economic development. Gold tends to be a smart investment during times of inflation and in recession. It gains superbly during this period. Here are some of the ways you can start investing in gold. 1. Open a gold IRA. If you're looking to invest in gold to support your future retirement, a gold IRA can be a good way to get started. These are types of individual retirement accounts that allow you to invest your funds in gold, silver, arts, and other collectibles, even wine. Traditional IRAs don't allow you to invest your money in physical items such as these. 2. Purchase physical gold. This is the old standard. You purchase gold coins, bullions, or bars and then store them away somewhere secure for safekeeping. That might mean a locked safe in your closet, a safe deposit box at a bank, or a third-party depository that specializes in storing gold, silver, and other precious items. 3. Invest in gold ETFs. Gold ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are types of pooled investment funds that allow you to invest in various gold-related companies without actually owning physical gold. Just like investing in stocks, you buy shares of ETFs, which with each one containing a small portion of the various companies that the funds contain.